Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I am standing in front of you to talk about World Population Day. What is population? It's a number of people that live together in a certain place. The population is unevenly distributed around globe. Asia is the most populated continent in our world. 66% of world's population live in Asia. The most populated country is China. The aim of this day is to increase people awareness on various issues such as importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty elimination, maternal health and human rights. Effects of overpopulation are depletion in natural resources, degradation of environment, rise in unemployment, pandemics, water shortage, etc. etc. However, apart from this, the World Population Day should be looked at as an opportunity to celebrate the spirit of brotherhood. On this occasion, you must realize the responsibility you have towards one another. By saying this, I am concluding my words. Thank you.
A warm welcome to all, principal teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak a few words about Population Day. If you fill a bowl too much, it might crack or break. Save the planet before it overfills by controlling the population. This comes in the scenario due to the alarming increase in the population. In the last century, an all-round development in various fields significantly improved the quality of life of men. This increased health facilities along with better living conditions had caused a big impact on population growth. A rapid decline in death rate, MMR, IMR, as well as an increase in number of people in reproducible age are probable reasons for this. Through our RCH program, though we could bring down the population growth rate, it was only marginal. Absolute scarcity of the basic requirement is the major after effect of such an alarming growth rate. The most important step to overcome this problem is to give motivation to the small families by using or by giving various conceptive methods. As a responsible citizen, we all have to follow the slogan, Hum Do Hamare Do. The best way to promote this is by giving incentives to couples with small families. Last but not least, Population Day is celebrated to raise the awareness about population stabilization and birth control. So, each small step that we take will lead to great development for our country. Happy World Population Day. Thank you.
അധ്യാപകരെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥി സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെ ലോക ജനസംഖ്യാ ദിനത്തെ ആസ്പദമാക്കി രണ്ടു വാക്ക് സംസാരിക്കുവാൻ ഞാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നു. ലോക ജനസംഖ്യാ ദിനമാണല്ലോ ജൂലൈ 11. ഏറ്റവും അവസാനത്തെ സെൻസസ് പ്രകാരം 600 കോടിക്ക് മുകളിലാണ് ജനസംഖ്യ. ഏറ്റവും അവസാനത്തെ സെൻസസ് പ്രകാരം 600 കോടിക്ക് മുകളിലാണ് ജനനിരക്ക്. ആരോഗ്യരംഗത്തെ മുന്നേറ്റം നമ്മുടെ ജനന നിരക്കിനെ ഏറ്റവും ഉയർന്ന നിരക്കിലാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നു. മുമ്പുകാലത്ത് പ്രസവശേഷമുള്ള മരണനിരക്ക് വളരെ കൂടുതലായിരുന്നു. ആരോഗ്യരംഗത്തെ മുന്നേറ്റം ഇതിന് പ്രതിവിധി കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ലോക ജനസംഖ്യ വളരെ വേഗം ഉയർന്നു വരികയാണ്. എന്നാൽ അതോടൊപ്പം പട്ടിണിയും പുതിയ പുതിയ രോഗങ്ങളും വർദ്ധിക്കുന്നു. എന്താണ് കാരണമെന്ന് നാം ചിന്തിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഭക്ഷ്യ ദൗർലഭ്യത വളരെ വലിയൊരു വിഷയം തന്നെയാണ്. കാലാകാലങ്ങളായി വിഭവ സമാഹരണത്തിൽ അസമത്വം കാരണം പല രാജ്യങ്ങളിലും പട്ടിണിയാണ്. ഉദാഹരണമായി നാം പലപ്പോഴും പറയാറുള്ള ആഫ്രിക്കൻ രാജ്യങ്ങൾ. ഇപ്പോൾ തന്നെ കോവിഡ് മഹാമാരിയുടെ കാലത്ത് നമ്മുടെ സർക്കാർ നമുക്ക് ഓരോ വീടിനും വേണ്ട ധാന്യങ്ങളും മറ്റു വിഭവങ്ങളും റേഷൻ കടകൾ വഴി എത്തിച്ചു തന്നു. അതുകാരണം ഈ വറുതിയുടെ കാലത്തും നാം പട്ടിണിയില്ലാതെ ജീവിക്കുന്നു. ആർജവമുള്ള സർക്കാരുകൾക്ക് മാത്രമേ ജനങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത്രയധികം കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്തു കൊടുക്കുവാൻ സാധിക്കൂ. നേരെ മറിച്ച് അഹങ്കാരഹുങ്കിൽ അഭിരമിക്കുന്ന സർക്കാരുകളുള്ള നാടുകളിലെ പാവപ്പെട്ടവരെ സംരക്ഷിക്കാൻ അവർ തയ്യാറാകുന്നില്ല എന്നതാണ് വസ്തുത. കൃഷിക്ക് മുൻതൂക്കം നൽകിയും ഉള്ള വിഭവങ്ങൾ ജനങ്ങളുമായി പങ്കുവെച്ച് മുന്നോട്ടു പോയാൽ മാത്രമേ ജനസംഖ്യാനുപാതമായി പട്ടിണിയില്ലാതെ ജീവിക്കാൻ സാധിക്കൂ. നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിൽ തന്നെ ഈ സമയത്ത് ഇത്രയധികം വിഭവങ്ങൾ ജനങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്തിക്കാൻ സാധിച്ചത് മുൻകാലങ്ങളിൽ ഗവൺമെന്റ് സംഭരിച്ചു വെച്ച കാരണം കൊണ്ടാണ്. അല്ലാതെ ജനസംഖ്യാ വർധനവിനെ ഭയത്തോടെ കാണേണ്ടതില്ല. കൃഷിയുടെ ആവശ്യകതയെക്കുറിച്ച് നാം ബോധവൽക്കരണം നടത്തി കൂടുതൽ ജനകീയമായ രീതിയിൽ കൃഷിരീതികൾ വർദ്ധിപ്പിച്ച് നമുക്ക് സമൃദ്ധിയോടെ മുന്നേറാം. ജനസംഖ്യാ ദിനാശംസകളോടെ ഞാൻ നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Good morning to all. I'm Avani Krishna K of 9D, here to share my views on population growth, its advantages and disadvantages. The annual average rate of change of population size during a specific period is known as population growth rate. The current average population increase is estimated at 81 million people per year. This number makes us think, do we have space to live comfortably? This question can be answered by looking both sides of population growth. The bright side is that a growing population can generate economic growth. Increased purchases in products such as food, clothing, sporting goods, education-related expenses and toys feed the economy. With a larger population, there is more medical, agricultural and industrial innovations. More people will result in more ideas and beliefs. Original cultures and religions will change, adding new concepts and traditions. Over to the dark side of population growth, rise in pandemics, food shortages and pollutions are problems that we will be forced to solve. Increased number of people leads to limited land space, less jobs and higher prices, leading to poverty and a crowded earth. Basic supplies become more expensive because of limited supply and demand. People start to commit organized crimes to make money for their survival. A large amount of people lead to a higher chance of disagreement, which can escalate into a huge amount of conflict or even wars. With a large population, it takes a lot to control a situation like a war or a riot. These points claim that the increase in population may lead to exploitation of humans and resources, imbalance in the economy, and reduced residential and commercial spaces. Therefore, the rapid growth in population may lead to population explosion, which have adverse effects on humanity. Thank you.
My name is Nehami. I'm studying in 6th B. July 11th, World Population Day. We should control the population to ensure the survival of our environment. Thank you.
World Population Day, July 11th. Let us control the ever-increasing population together. Dear friends, I am Ananya Praveen 7th A. Today is the World Population Day. The World Population Day is a great event being celebrated all through the world annually on 11th of July. It is celebrated to increase the awareness of the people towards the worldwide population issue. It was first started in the year 1989 by the Governing Council of United Nations Development Program. It was exalted by the interest of the public when the global population became near about 5 billion at the 11th of July in the year 1987. Now the world population is almost 7.6 billion. So let us control the world population. Thank you.
July 11th, World Population Day. If we fill the bowl too much, it might crack and break. Save the planet before it overfill by controlling the population. Happy World Population Day.
Good morning everybody. I am Ridunanda Vikas. Respected HM, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today I am here to present a speech on World Population Day. World Population Day is an annual event which is celebrated on July 11 every year. The governing body of United Nations Development Program started this day in 1989. This day was suggested by Dr. K.C. Sakriya in 1987. the world population crossed 5 billion and the day marked as 5 billion day. China, India, United States are top 3 countries have largest population amount. According to UN report, the current population report is 7.6 billion. The increase of population problems like poverty, unemployment, depletion of natural resources, etc. Thank you.
Respected teachers and all my dear friends. First, let me introduce myself. I am Niranjana SR from 7th B. Today, I am going to speak a few words on the topic World Population Day. Every year, 11th July is known as World Population Day. World Population Day aims to raise global population issues and its spreading awareness about the exploding world population. Population is supposed to be one of the leading concerns of countries like India and China. World Population Day is celebrated at international level. UN Council decides the theme of World Population Day every year. This event was suggested by Dr. Zakaria. It was during his time the population crossed 5 billion marks. Overpopulation causes depletion of natural resources. Effects of overpopulation are quite severe. There will be a rise on unemployment, high cost of living, water shortage, etc. Hence, poor countries are trying to keep a balance between population and resources. I am concluding my words by saying that it would be a much happier, healthier, wealthier world if we balance population and resources. Thank you all and a happy World Population Day. നമസ്കാരം, ഞാൻ അയന പി കെ 6th പഠിക്കുന്നു. Happy World Population Day. Let us join hands to control population and save this world.
I'm Ananya PM. I'm studying in 6th D. World Population Day, July 11th. Save the earth from population explosion. Increasing population, toxics to the